Hello students, happy learning. In this video, we are going to see the differences between internet banking versus traditional banking. There are two forms of banking. One is traditional banking, other way it is called brick banking. Another one is internet banking or e-banking. In both the platforms, the customer of the bank can access the banking services. Traditional banking is concerned with the physical location that the customer has to visit to get the access of his own bank account. Whereas in internet banking, it is a virtual banking. The customer can operate or access his banking services at any time and anywhere. These are the differences between the traditional banking and the internet bank. Traditional bank, the bank exists physically for serving the customers. Internet bank don't have any physical presence as services are provided online. In traditional banking, it consumes a lot of time as customer have to visit the bank branches to carry out his bank transactions like checking his bank balances, transferring money from one account to another. It doesn't consume time as customer don't have to visit the bank branches to check balances or to transfer the money from one bank account to another account. The customer can access their accounts readily from anywhere with a computer and access of internet. Traditional banking, the people have to visit banks only during the office hours. Whereas internet banking is available at any time. It provides services of 7 into 24 and 365 days. Traditional banking does not encounter the e-security threat, whereas online banking is a tempting target for hackers. Security is one of the problems faced by the customer in accessing accounts through the internet. Traditional bank, the finance control, the customer who often travel abroad cannot pay close attention and the control of their finance. Whereas in internet banking, the customers who often travel abroad can have greater control over their finance. Traditional banking, the customer have to spend money for visiting the branches of the bank. Whereas in internet banking, customers do not have to spend money for visiting banks. They can avoid bank charges that may be charged for certain related transactions, or when they pay bills electronically directly from their account to the merchant. It helps to save the money on postal charge. The cost incurred by the traditional banks includes a lot of operating and fixed costs. In internet banking, such costs are eliminated as the banks don't have the physical presence. In traditional bank, the employees and the clerical staff of the bank can attend only few customers at a time. In online banking, the customers don't have to stand in queue to carry out the banking transaction. In traditional banking, customers can have face-to-face contact, whereas in internet banking, customer can have only electronic contacts. In traditional banking, the bank executive have to perform a lot of paperwork, which increases both the time and the cost. Whereas in internet banking, the cost and the time could be reduced. Everything is to be through some interval and no need for huge. In case of traditional banking business, a person has to carry cash at each point of time. Whereas in internet banking, it provides banking services without carrying cash, such as plastic money like debit card and credit cards.